If you're shopping for internet, AT&T Fiber has some of the fastest, most stable plans out there. They're finally available in more neighborhood. Let's break down what you actually get. So, the Internet 300 plan gives you 300 megabits per second upload and download speeds. More than enough for streaming, Zoom calls, and light gaming. It's affordable, requires no contract, and includes their Wi-Fi gateway and security tools. Step up to Internet 500, and you'll get faster performance across multiple devices. It's perfect for small families or work from home setups that need extra bandwidth without jumping to gigabit. Then there's the 1 gig plan, symmetrical gigabit speeds that can handle streaming, gaming, backups, heavy file transfers without breaking a sweat. This tier is ideal for creators, remote teams, and households with serious bandwidth demands. So if you need even more, AT&T also offers 2 gig and 5 gig plans in some areas. These are ultra-high performance tiers made for power users, home labs, smart homes with dozens of connected devices. All plans come with unlimited data, no contracts, and AT&T's Active Armor security. Plus, bundle discounts and limited time gift cards. Promos make them even more tempting. Do you want me to compare it to Xfinity, Spectrum, or Verizon next? Drop a comment, hit like, I'll dive into it. I'll catch you in the next video.